Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to remove object from video without blur using the CapCut. But before moving to the tutorial, it's mean a lot for us to subscribe to our channel. First of all, create a new project in the CapCut app and add the video you want to remove the text from. This is my video, where I will remove the text of my channel name in it. Take a screenshot on your phone, then crop the area you don't need. After that, download and install Watermark Remover on PC. Hit the free download link in the description. Download and launch it. Then select the screenshot image earlier. Using this brush tool, mark all the text you want to remove like this. After that, tap the Remove button. And repeat as before if the result is less clean. After all the text has been successfully deleted, without leaving a trace. Now save it. Next, return to the CapCut app and add the edited screenshot image. Move the clip to the overlay track. Then align and lengthen it with the main video as well. Next, open the mask menu. Select the rectangle option. Then drag it to the text you want to remove, and also adjust the size until it covers the text perfectly. And yes, up here, you have successfully removed text from the video without blur using the CapCut and Snap Edit apps. Now let's see the end result. And okay guys, that's all I can show you in this video. Don't forget to like if you think this video is helpful. That's all from me, and thank you for watching.